What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. And I'm super excited today because I finally got my very first realistic dream. Alright guys, so if you guys were in the live video that I had this last week, you guys will know that I brought up a question about whether if you had the opportunity to get a car that was one of your first dream cars, would you take it? And I just made that leap because right in front of me here I have my new car and I am speechless. So little backstory on this car, guys. Back in 2004 my dad bought a brand new F-150 from a Ford dealership, and in that dealership, in the showroom floor, they had a 2004 Mach 1 in azure blue. And I just thought, I was about 13, 12 at the time, and I thought that was just the most beautiful car that I had seen. I loved it. It had that shaker hood, so when you pop the hood open, there was a hole in the hood, similar to the way the ZR1s are and stuff like that. And I just really fell in love with that car. But obviously, as the years went on, I ended up getting something different. And I've always had a little bug to try to always get that car. And let's just say I got the opportunity to get one. So without further ado, check out the new car. Yes, that is right, guys. This is the Mach 1 Mustang. And there are a few things, it's not perfect, but we are going to bring this thing back to life. This thing's got, it's pretty much all original. Only thing it has is an exhaust, catback exhaust, and a K&N intake. But it's got a few things like this wing. It's like the aftermarket wing, I believe, from like one of the Celines or something. But I mean, hear that out, guys. It has a really nice rumble. You guys can see the Mach 1 badge there. Definitely needs a little bit of work, but not crazy. And for the price I got it for, I can't complain. It is beautiful. Yeah. So let me give you guys a quick walk around. Obviously this is a black 2003 Mach 1. It came with the Cope 4-valve heads on it. This one specifically was in a small front end accident where the bumper had to get replaced, which is why you can see this bumper isn't painted, but we're going to be taking care of that. It does come with these 17-inch drag wheels, which I'm not a big fan of, so we're probably going to try to get a different set of wheels for the car. Still has all the badges. It comes with these louvers in the back, which are definitely coming off. I'm not keeping those on the car. And then this wing here, which I'm not too sure about yet. I might remove the wing and go back to the original stock wing on the Mach 1. But overall, it's in really good shape mechanically, and I can't wait to really bring this back to life, guys. It is insane. Let me show you guys the engine bay. Check this out, guys. See this? Still obviously Mustangs with the hood prop, but check out this gap here. And you've got the complete shaker hood. I mean, looking at this engine bay, it's spotless. I mean, everything is really, really well taken care of. As you guys can see here, it's a 32-valve V8 engine. Quick little fact, on the 2003s, they came with these black valve covers, and in the 2004s, they were silver. Comes with the K&N filter here. And I mean, mechanically just really smooth running car. I mean, definitely very excited to see what I can do with it. Now, I'm not going to be doing performance mods to this car. This car is purely going to be kind of like a daily driver street car that I'm going to bring back to life. As you guys can see, it's got a lot of swirl marks here, so I'm going to be doing a full paint correction, swapping out the wheels, painting this. A lot of little trim, like this bottom little chin spoiler, maybe getting a new one of those, or getting this one kind of cleaned up. probably, headlights are not in bad condition actually. They're actually pretty decent, but it looks like they got a little bit of tape here, so probably change out the headlights. I mean, there's a lot of small little cosmetic things. Let me show you guys the interior though. Okay guys, so here is the interior, and I mean, it is overall in really good shape. I mean, the seats are a little worn, but not anything for the year this car is in. Dashboard is completely like no cracks in the dashboard, and you can see no check engine lights, no nothing. And the best part, guys, it is a manual. Yes, that is right, we have a manual on the car, and that manual is what really drove me to get this car, guys. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you guys think? What do you guys think of the new car, a Mach 1 black, which we're gonna bring back to life? And I hope to show you guys just how we're gonna bring this car back to life and show you the transformation that we do with this thing. I'm super excited, and I'm ready to see just what this car turns out to be. Alright guys, so this car is actually here in Dallas. So we drove up to Dallas to pick up the Mach 1, and so we gotta drive it back to Houston for now. Got to visit my sister who's up here, so we'll have a good time this weekend and then take it back home to Houston. Man, I mean, you just can't hate on the sound of that, guys. I'm so excited. I'm glad to be back in a manual, and it's gonna be a fun daily driver. I'm gonna use this as my daily driver for the time being. I'm gonna fix it back up, try to bring it back to that showroom shine, and who knows, you know, hopefully you guys enjoy the videos. I'll be doing a lot of this stuff myself. So as you guys know, I like to do a lot of stuff all on my own. So I hope you guys follow this and follow the build. I hope you guys enjoy it. So this is its first real nice cruise, going back drive all the way to Houston, and so far, guys, I have been really impressed with this car. It's really smooth. I mean, everything from, I've driven it about 30 miles now, and all the gauges are good, no check engine lights. I mean, this car is by far one of the nicest Mach 1s mechanically that I have seen. Really great. The radio works. This thing came with all the options that you could have gotten on a Mach 1, with the power seats, the premium Mach audio system. I mean, so far, even the cruise control works. So check out that shaker hood, guys. The view from here is actually really nice. I love the way that shaker hood looks, and really very aggressive. You can see just cruising, no check engine lights, no nothing. Really, really awesome. Well guys, we're home, and as you guys can see, the car is here. It made it all in one piece. Now, there wasn't really anything interesting that happened on the ride over here. I thought, you know, maybe I'd be able to record to you guys and show you guys some more stuff, but unfortunately it was just plain boring. Had the cruise control set, and the car performed flawlessly. Never overheated, never anything. I was hoping that, as you guys can see, since I did buy the car and the owner removed all the inspections, plates and all that, that maybe a cop would pull me over to at least check to see what was going on. I did have all the paperwork, bill of sale and all that, but we made it back. The car is here, and now we get to use it for a little bit and basically start doing our best to bring this car back to what it once used to be. Well guys, there you have it. This of course is my first dream car-ish, that you could say, real attainable dream car that I wanted back when I was 13, and now I have it. I can't believe I have it. Obviously it's not in the condition that I want it to be in, but I will be working hard to get this thing and it converted back to its prime and back to what it was originally meant to be. So watch out and keep an eye out for more videos, guys, because I will be putting all the videos and everything I do for you guys on the channel. So with that said, guys, I hope you had enjoyed this video. I'm excited. I can't believe I finally have a car that I've been wanting since 2003, and I can't wait to see what happens with it. So I'll see you guys in the next one.